Journaling, a powerful tool for self-growth. Everyone has moments of self-doubt, confusion, and uncertainty. But how do you move forward in life when those feelings overwhelm you? Journaling can be a powerful tool to help you process your emotions and gain clarity on the direction you want to take. In this video, we'll look at why journaling is so important for personal growth and how it can be used to help you reach your goals. Journaling has been shown to be a powerful tool for self-growth. It can help you to process and understand your thoughts and feelings, set goals and intentions, and track your progress. It can be difficult to know where to start when journaling for the first time. This video will give you some tips on how to get started, including what to write about and how often to write. Once you start journaling, you may find that it becomes an essential part of your self-care routine. It can be a safe space for you to explore your thoughts and feelings, and work through challenges in your life. The benefits of journaling. There are many benefits to journaling, but 3 of the most powerful are that it can help you to 1. Get clear on your goals and what you want in life. 2. Overcome negative thinking and cultivate a more positive mindset. 3. Process and release emotions that are holding you back. When it comes to setting and achieving goals, clarity is key. And journaling can be a great way to gain that clarity. By regularly writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can start to get a better sense of what it is you really want out of life. You may also find that journaling helps you to identify any self-limiting beliefs that are holding you back from reaching your full potential. If you tend to have a lot of negative thoughts running through your head, journaling can be a helpful tool for managing them. Every time a negative thought pops up, write it down on paper, or in your digital journal. Then, counter it with a positive thought or affirmation. For example, if you keep thinking, "I'm not good enough," write it down and then follow it up with, "I am worthy and deserving of all good things." Doing this repeatedly will train your brain to focus on the positive instead of the negative. We all have emotions that can be tough to deal with at times. Journaling can be a great way to process these emotions in a healthy way. Types of journaling. There are numerous types of journaling with different purposes. Some people journal to process their feelings and work through difficult emotions, while others use it as a tool for self-reflection and growth. Below are some of the most popular types of journaling. 1. Gratitude journaling. This type of journaling involves writing down things you're grateful for each day. It can help shift your focus from negative to positive experiences and open your eyes to the good in your life. 2. Goal-setting journaling. Use this type of journaling to brainstorm, plan, and track your progress towards specific goals. Doing so can help increase your motivation and chances of achieving your desired results. 3. Manifestation journaling. This practice involves visualizing what you want to manifest in your life and writing it down as if it's already happened. Doing so can help align your thoughts and actions with your desired outcome, making it more likely to occur. 4. Brain dump journaling. Sometimes our minds are so full of thoughts that we can't seem to focus on anything else. In these cases, simply dumping everything out onto paper or into a digital document can provide some much-needed relief. Once everything is out of your head, you may find it easier to organize your thoughts and move on with your day. 5. Free writing journaling. This is a form of stream of consciousness writing where you let whatever comes getting started. If you're new to journaling, it can be tough to know where to start. Luckily, there are some simple tips and tricks you can use to get the most out of your journaling practice. One of the best ways to get started with journaling is to set some intention for your practice. What do you hope to accomplish by journaling? Are you looking to explore your emotions, work through a difficult situation, or simply document your day-to-day life? Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, it will be easier to choose specific journaling prompts and exercises that will help you reach your goals. Another great way to get started is by setting aside some time each day, or at least each week, for journaling. If you can carve out even just 15 to 20 minutes for yourself, it will make a world of difference. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted, and let yourself relax into the process. There's no need to rush, simply take your time and allow the words to flow. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different types of journaling. There are so many different approaches that it's impossible to list them all here. You might want to try stream of consciousness writing, free writing, or even bullet journaling. The important thing is to find what works best for you and stick with it. By following these simple tips, you'll be well. Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.